Pagpunta kay amin dito Hawaii, ngawan labas na. Uncle, Auntie, ni Paula Daytoy. In behalf of my family, we just want to greet you a happy 50th or golden anniversary. Our wishes is that sa palakumata nakaradkad kayo magnanayon and more years of living together so that you will enjoy the many blessings of our Heavenly Father. Uncle, Auntie, God bless you!
Happy 50th anniversary, Lola. God bless you.
Ayan yung mga kamag-anak natin, Nakadelinya family. May mga mestra dyan, may mga nurse, may mga kapitan. Yan.